Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the King's Indian attack. It's one of the most versatile openings for white. It's loved by Bobby Fischer. I'm not going to go deep down in theory in this video. I'm just going to show you all the basic moves and concepts, but I've left an article in the description down below so you can check it out if you want to dig a bit more. But if you just want to start playing, the ways to start the King's Indian is after playing g3 or knight to f3. Let's start with knight to f3. I'm just gonna play random moves for black. After something like this, you play your bishop to g2 and you castle. And after you've castled, your king is safe. You've made a fianchetto here, and your next move should be d3. The point of d3 is preventing your opponent from expanding with an e-pawn too much, because you don't want to give your opponent that much space. At some point you're gonna commit your bishop to, let's say, g5, and after you're attacked you can make this trade and put your knight to c3 or to d2. After your opponent decides on which side he wants to castle, maybe he wants to decide to castle on the king side, or maybe even on the queen side. The point of the King's Indian attack is it's so versatile, and with the critical pawn breaks such as e4 or c4, you can decide on which side you want to attack the king. For example, if the king is castled on the king side, you can even play a move like knight to u1 and start a pawn storm and attack the king there. You can, if you want to slow play, that was for the more attacking aggressive players, you can play something like rook to u1 and at some point go with the pawn break e4. If your opponent tries to castle on the queen side, you can commit your bishop on a square like c2, move your knight to the middle again, and play on the other side. That's in short the whole point of the King's Indian. You can play it if you're a more aggressive player, you can slow play it, and you're gonna get the hang of it by playing a lot of games. If this video was helpful, just leave it a like and subscribe, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.